Only a lifetime income annuity can optimize income over the indefinite period of a human life, and that, my friends, is not an opinion. That is a mathematical, scientific, and economic fact. Well, here are the risks of retirement that we talked about. If you follow my simple strategy, what do you come up with? Well, if you cover their basic expense with guaranteed income, you know what you did? You just took all these risks on the left-hand side off the table. You took longevity risk off the table. It's a guaranteed paycheck for life. You took deflation risk, because if the paycheck stays the same, things actually go down. It's one of the best things to have in a deflationary environment. There is no market risk. There's no withdrawal rate risk. There's no order of return risk. Have you ever had a client say something like this? The reason I don't like a lifetime income annuity is because I don't want to give up control. Have you had that? I don't want to give up control. No, you turn that around. The reason you have to have a lifetime income annuity is to gain control. See, we got to gain control over these risks on the left-hand side. And by buying guaranteed lifetime income with only a portion, that's another power phrase. We're only using a portion of the portfolio to gain control over these key risks. See, the clients who say, I don't want to touch my principal, it's all mine. It's all mine. They're the ones that run out of money. Why? Because they're out of control with the risks. So cover the basic expense of guaranteed income. Well, what are the remaining risks? Long-term care, you got to have a plan. Mortality risk, that's what life insurance does. What's the remaining risk? Inflation. So I said what you've got to do, you cover the basic expense of guaranteed income, then optimize the rest of this portfolio to protect against inflation. Because if we get inflation or rising interest rates, what do you want? You want this portfolio to go up. Why? Because then you can take profits, buy more income. Markets go up and down, take profits, buy more income. Markets go up and down, take profits. Now you ladder their income in retirement. What have you done? You protected them against inflation, deflation, hyperinflation, Great Depression. Your clients are going to be fine. It's all the other clients that are going to be in trouble.